What's a quick and easy side dish for adobo? Find out here on Channel 1. You're watching Channel 1 Kitchen and Garden, a channel dedicated to garden to plate experience. In this channel we grow, cook and share. Join us here at a remote location here in Vienna. I got here beans and they have been prepared yesterday. The plan was to prepare adobo, but I already have here adobo, pork adobo. So, would you prepare beans adobo and serve it with pork adobo? I think that would be adobo fatigue. So, I'm preparing a simpler and a better option to combine with pork adobo. I'll be making a simple Pinoy ensalada, beans ensalada, or beans in vinaigrette. It's easy. I think it will be done in just 5 minutes. So the first thing we do is boil the beans. While opening this, I might as well show you the ingredients that we need. Onion, salt, pepper, and sugar. Just mix the perfect combination, but I'll have a suggested proportion in the description box. So we'll just boil this. I'm not sure if whether my friends here like this, so I'll just use half the portion. So while waiting for the beans to boil and cook, let's prepare the ingredients. And it's just an onion to slice. There's no strict requirement on how it's sliced, but the finer the better. We don't want to bite on a big slice of an onion, so slice it finely, as fine as we can. See how quick it was. Let's add the recent ingredients. Vinegar. Ordinary vinegar will do. To spice it up a bit, I'm adding just drops of this spiced vinegar. It's not hot enough, just for the aroma. And the rest of the ingredients, salt and sugar. And if there's salt, there's pepper. Refer to the description box for the suggested quantities. And while the beans is boiling, let's continue with the sauce or the vinaigrette. Let's just mix all of them together, dissolving the salt and the sugar. And finally, the beans is cooked. We'll just have to stop the beans from cooking by immersing or by washing them in cold water. This has to be served cool, that's why it has to be cool. And let's add it to the vinaigrette, or to the sauce solution, if you want to call it sauce. Or the dressing, even. Just mix well. And I think it's ready. We can serve it now. A very quick preparation for a perfect combination for adobo. So, as promised, a very simple and ideal combination, ideal side dish for your adobo. Don't serve adobo with adobo. Thank you for joining me here today from Vienna, and I hope to have you again on our next videos as we shoot at home and at the garden. See you on our next videos. I'd like to leave you with the behind the scenes of our ube and MAMON bake in Vienna, as we share the flavors of our homeland to this homesick expats. Call it ube mission. Ubi evangelization.
Okay, let's try.
We want to hear from the man of Las Vegas.
Bakit kapatid?
What can you say?
I can't taste it. More.
Matigas nga. Dahil sa...
Yeah. Ubi flavor.
The flour is not...
No one is getting sick? No one is getting sick?
No?
Okay, then I stop the video.
Hope so.
Maximum recording. Oh.
Gusto mo makalat na?
Okay.
Poland kaya niyo?
Oh, and the paper.
Poland?
Yes. Ito Belgium.
Sino?
Ibang bansa. Ayan. O, Jere. Feel mo. Ayan.
Film mo.
Lahat na.
Film mo.
Imbudo.
Rimbudo.
Imbudo. Lodo. The professional baker is very, very hard busy.
The master baker.
Also
I came along from Las Vegas just to taste this MAMON.
Okay, welcome.
Okay na yan?
Ayos na. Huwag mabutas dir, wala ka nang gagamitin.
Okay. Sayang yun. Kasi dyan. Kasi yung ulitin nga na umuli. Compensation. Yeah. Good.
Ça is uw ding brand.
25.
25 minutes.
Before take off.
Timer starts now. So, 9:05, 10:05.
Okay. Habang hinintay yan, pwede lang tikman na ang
Here we go.
delicious.
10:05.
Good off.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, ready already.
So now it's finished. Ruby.
25 minutes are over.
Hindi pa tunay yan.
Now it's finished.
Hindi ka
Yeah.
The man
No.
from the man all the way from Las
Dapat yung
Vegas
sinabi mo sa akin kanina.
Has to cut the cake.
will cut the cake.
Ha?
You look to the most sexy man.